Fishing's gonna be horrible till Wednesday.
But with 5 days of clear weather but poor fishing, what else are you gonna do?
The reality is I don't feel like building this stinking boat.
Well, we gotta get the wood to dry out. I mean, without that, we just don't have a chance. So, this is the Willy Rip. The new boat's gonna be called the Duchess of Dorch. Now, this boat, the current one, is called the Willy Rip. I named it after my dad and my grandfather. Both my dad and grandfather's names were Willie, senior, junior. And my granddad's name was Rip. I'm not sure where it comes from, but I always would call my dad Rip behind his back if I was mad at him or something. But the new boat is going to be called the Duchess of Dorch, which is my mother's and my grandmother's. It's the family name.
Test, Sugar Fly. Interview with Mom about Dad. I guess this would be take one.
Well, I've enjoyed the boat. It's been good. But the biggest problem has been durability and this transom. The transom is buckled. This Thai longtail, the boat's powered by a genuine Thailand longtail, just like you've seen on every National Geographic, like on the Mekong River ever. Same inventor. These American longtail boats have a real raked back transom, and that transom is really designed for a more traditional outboard, and especially on the Alumacraft boats I find that the transom just buckles. That's one thing. Two, I've turned the boat over here. And there's a hole in it, and also there's a crack in the transom. Question now is, can we fix it with a little bit of Flex Seal? Will it work? We will find out, baby. I don't know. I think that gap's way too big. Would have been better off if we filled it with epoxy putty. As seen on television, it's the miracle Flexi Seal. We'll see if it'll work or not. You know how that goes. There's definitely less current today. I only have about 7 gates open, which is about half the number of gates they usually do. My bucket died, and so a lot of my fish is surprisingly not completely dried out, but it's there's not much room in this little boat for 27 jugs. Very easy to deploy these though. So my system is to get the jugs out and then immediately start fishing for brim and bluegill and drifting for more bait fish. Number 1. Oh, it's not a brim, it's a stripe. Hybrid on a basically an olive woolly bugger. Oh, another little stripe. Maybe we should have brought our big lures out, my pink and purples or something, and started trolling for some stripe today. Maybe that's what we should have been doing. Cumulonimbus clouds are starting to pile up on us, so I didn't say there was any rain in the forecast, but you know how that can go. Not in a few minutes, a few seconds. Turned off the camera and got one.
little channel cat on one of my nibbles, on one of those nibbles. So I may order a case of these nibbles, man. I just may order a case of them. What do you think? Order a case and maybe do a giveaway? Not of a whole case, but order a case of these and do a giveaway on the channel. It'll eat. Inhale. West side of the river warms faster in the spring and the fish hang out on those rocks. There's our bluegill. Long lining today, baby. These brim are still out deep. These bluegill are still shallow. Small, but fine. That's fine. Bait for my catfish. This might be a little drum or something. No, just another brim, They are still deep. I mean, they are deep, but they're feeding. He's on the other side of that ridge. I can't see him, the jet there. You see it firsthand. First catfish on the jug. Got him on fresh, thick cut bait. Well, nice little channel there. First catfish on the jug this season. Somewhere, but that's not bad. Too dang it. It's a nice. He's been fighting. He's got these spots on him. I think he's been fighting. They've been fighting. They're getting ready to breed. They've been fighting.